Hi everyone, how you going? Just on today quickly to show you how I made the envelope journals. I was asked by the lovely Patty on YouTube if I could show you how I done them. You can go over and have a look at Marta's from Maremi on YouTube, because that's where I seen how to do it. But I thought, look, the lovely pattay, she asked me if I could just show how I done them. So I managed to find a few more envelopes in my stash, and I'm pretty sure that these are the last ones that I have. I'm not really sure, except for the bigger ones that I use to send out my... Oh, hang on, I have got some more. I have these ones also that I send my letter journals in. But I'll use these ones here. These are just little square envelopes, but this, the way that you put them together works for any type of envelope. So you've got your little flap here, and it opens there, okay, and then you just get another envelope and open up the flap, and I just press the flap backwards, and then all you do is just slip that side into that envelope there, so that you've got the opening on the next envelope here. And what I done with mine, Marta didn't put any glue on hers, but I just grabbed my glue stick and I just put a little bit on that flap, and when I put that flap inside the bottom envelope, it just kept it together like that. Okay, so I've got two envelopes together now. 1, 2, and that's the flap from the bottom envelope, and I've got another little opening here. So all I do, I press that one, the flap on this envelope back, and you flip it over so that the opening's on the bottom, and I just put a little smidge of glue there, and then stick that flap inside the opening on the bottom envelope, and you just keep doing that. So I've got my opening here again, and I've got this envelope. I'll just press that top flap back, and then I'll flip it over, put a bit of glue on there, and just put that one in, slip that one into there. So do you understand that? And then, oops, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes together now, and I've still got this flap open here from the first envelope. So I'll just press that one back, then I flip that one over, put a little smidge of glue there with some fibres on it, and then I'll put that flap into that open envelope and put it over like that. So there's the flap. So how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5. I'll just keep doing this and make another little journal out of it. And you just have to remember that doing this, you have to use all the same size envelopes. I'm not sure how it would work if you had different sized envelopes. Where am I getting these blue? Oh, I know. I just made something, didn't I? I've got blue fibres all over my desk. And you press that one. Into that one there, and just try and keep them straight as you go. So we've got our envelope, the opening's just here. You just always have to make sure you've got that opening at the top. And on this envelope you just press the flap back and then you just flip it over. I put a little bit of glue. So when you're putting the flap in, you haven't got an opening at the top. The opening only comes when you flip that one over like that. And there's your opening. I've got a couple more, so I'll keep doing this and then I'll show you how to do that. The binding, or how to put where's my words? The spine. Okay, so we've got the hole here at the top. We've got that one like that. Press that flap down, flip it over, bit of glue just there. Oh, pardon me, and slip that in there and press it down. So I just find it easier if I do bend this flap of the next envelope back. It just makes it fold better. So the opening that way, then flip it over, smidgen of glue, and thread it. If I can get that flap open. There we go. And just put it in there. Press it down. And the last one, the opening here. Press that flap back, flip it over, smidgen of glue, and in the last one here. There we go. Okay, so there all my envelopes for the envelope journal. And you've got this flap here that you just bend up. I'll just put some of this glue on here. Just put some glue down the side, and I also put a bit of glue just along the base, the envelopes here, and you just press that flap over, push it down on the envelopes and try and catch the envelopes there. So that's it. So pattay, I hope you understood this. It is a really simple and lovely effective envelope journal. When Marta done hers, she didn't use glue at all to join the envelopes together. She just slotted them all in, but I just thought, you know, I want it to stay together for quite a while, and I just thought I'd just put a little smidgen of my glue stick on the envelope flaps to do it. I'll be back on in just a sec and show you how I done the cover. I just went and found a piece of cardboard just to show you how I done the cover. So I've got my envelopes here, and I better come out a bit so you can see. Whoops, wrong way. And to get the measurements, I just placed the envelopes down on, it was actually recycled cardboard, but I'm out of that at the moment, so I'll use this cardboard here. I just placed the envelopes down on the cardboard and just roughly marked enough to leave a little edge around the side. So I'll cut this side down here. Right, so that's my envelope is going to have a little bit of edge around the side, and then I just pressed the spine part in there and pressed it over. And on this side here, I'll just mark where I need to cut. I might turn that around, and because that's got a nice texture on that side, so I'll do it this side here. Whoops. Hitting everything. And my envelope journal, where I put that little flap up there, I'll put that on the bottom. So all I'm going to do now is just, I'll use my glue stick. Just put a bit of glue on the bottom, or double-sided tape. I have used the double-sided tape, but just don't have any right on hand at the moment, so I'll use the glue stick. Put the glue on the bottom one and glue that onto the back inside of the cover, and I'll just press that up again. And press that over. And there you go. That's it. Too easy. There's the little envelope journal with the loose spine, because you've already put the spine with that flap. And there you have it. So I hope you understood that, Patty. It is a really easy process. And it just looks great. And it just looks fabulous. So I've got another little envelope journal now. There, and the back page here is stuck down. Too easy. Okay, so there you go. I hope you understood that, Patty. I'm just pressing that spine down a bit more. But there you have it. Alright. Okay, so that's all from me for the moment. And like I said, you can go over and watch. I will put Marta's link down below for her envelope journals. But that's all you have to do. Okay, you all have a great day, and I hope that helped you, Patty. Pattay, do you hear me, Pattay? I love that. Okay. Oh, I have a joke with Patty. She's pretty cool. Patty doesn't actually do videos, but she's a regular commenter on mine. And she's got a real wacky sense of humour, and I just love it. Okay, you have a great day, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.